Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the abnormal voltage and low power steering assist problem in a Toyota RAV4, according to the mechanics here in the shop where I'm currently at. Before we continue, I want to tell you something very important. In about 90% of cases, that warning shows up because of an old battery or a weak alternator. Don't jump straight to blaming the EPS module. It's super expensive. Always rule out the basics first. That's why I recommend you do the following, so pay close attention. First, measure the battery voltage. It should be 12.4 volts or higher with the engine off. Second, check the alternator's charging voltage. It should be 13.8 to 14.4 volts with the engine running. Third, clean and tighten the battery terminals properly. Fourth, check the EPS fuses and relays. Fifth, if all that looks fine, scan the system to see if the steering module has any stored trouble codes. Now here's another helpful tip. The mechanics here in the shop recommend, if the error still appears after replacing the battery or alternator, clear the codes with a scanner or disconnect the battery for a few minutes to reset the system. Sometimes the message stays stored, even though the actual problem is already fixed. I'm sure this will help you solve the issue. It's been confirmed by expert mechanics who specialize in this kind of problem.